tell you one new story. That name is Lily's Lake Ride. This is Ladybug, whose name is
Ladybug.
Ladybug. It is a ladybug, but its name is Lily.
Lily.
What is its name?
Lily.
Lily is living near the lake. This is a lake. So Ladybug, Lily, whose name is Lily, she is living near the lake. Okay, she is living near the lake. The lake is full of lotus. The lake is full of so many lotus and lotus leaf. Okay, so many lotus. This lake is full of lotus and lotus leaf. So what one day Ladybug thought, this Ladybug thought that I will call my friends to have this, on this lake we'll have one boat ride. Okay, so she thought like, with my friends we will do lake ride. So what she did, she called her friends and she made boat with this leaf. Lotus leaf, she made a boat. Okay, and she packed some lollipops. And Ladybug and his friend went to a boat ride in the lotus lake. Okay, and they packed lot of lollipops. And this boat, all the ladybugs sat on this boat. This is leaf boat, lotus leaf boat. So all the ladybug, Miss Lily's and Lily's friends sat on the boat and they are having nice boat ride in the lake and they are very much enjoying. When they reached to the center of the lake, they had their lollipop. They opened their lollipops and they were just saying, eating, and they are enjoying their lollipop and their ride. So, children, the moral of the story is that we should always enjoy with the friends and share the things with the friend.